Welcome to my channel. Learn English with Jasmine.
100 everyday sentences for conversation. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? How are you? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. May I come in? May I come in? May I come in? Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. See you later. See you later. See you later. Bye. 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 What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? I like it. I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? I work in an office. I work in an office. I work in an office. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in LA. I live in LA. I live in LA. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I am 22 years old. I am 22 years old. I am 22 years old. What is this? What is this? What is this? It's a pen. It's a pen. It's a pen. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from America. I am from America. I am from America. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Yes, a little. No, not at all. No, not at all. No, not at all. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. I like to read. I like to read. I like to read. I like to watch movies. I like to watch movies. I like to watch movies. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? I like pizza. I like pizza. I like pizza. I don't like vegetables. I don't like vegetables. I don't like vegetables. I love animals. I love animals. I love animals. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? I have a cat. I have a cat. I have a cat. What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing. I have a question. I have a question. I have a question. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you explain? Can you explain? Can you explain? I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? I need a doctor. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. What day is it today? What day is it today? What day is it today? It's Monday. It's Monday. It's Monday. It's Tuesday today. It's Tuesday today. It's Tuesday today. It's Wednesday today. It's Wednesday today. It's Wednesday today. Thursday is here. Thursday is here. Thursday is here. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. It's the weekend, Saturday. It's the weekend, Saturday. It's the weekend, Saturday. Enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy your Sunday. What's the date today? What's the date today? What's the date today? It's the 3rd of January. It's the 3rd of January. It's the 3rd of January. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Congratulations, dear. Congratulations, dear. Congratulations, dear. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? How was your day? How was your day? How was your day? What did you do today? What did you do today? What did you do today? I went to work. I went to work. I went to work. I had dinner. I had dinner. I had dinner. I watched TV. I watched TV. I watched TV. I listened to music. I listened to music. I listened to music. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Feel free to contact me anytime. Feel free to contact me anytime. Feel free to contact me anytime. Can I take a message? Can I take a message? Can I take a message? I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen? Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework? I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. Can you teach me? Can you teach me? Can you teach me? I like your shirt. I like your shirt. I like your shirt. Where did you buy it? Where did you buy it? Where did you buy it? It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Take care. Take care. Take care. Have a great day. Have a great day. Have a great day.
Well done, learners. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Comment down below, how many answers were you able to give? If you like the video, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good day, everyone.